Good morning everyone. We are from group 3 class A1. Today we want to presentation about self-sufficient neighborhood post COVID-19. Before that, we will introduce our member. They are my name is Nadia Pananita and my team Rika Yogi, Krisna Dewi, Anadian and the last Pramastia Utama. Dangin Puri Kangin dan Pasar Utara has total area of 0.75 km square. The number of family had 1935 with a population of 711. Potensi area of Kreneng divided into four zones. The first, sport, Gor Ngurah Rai, education, Yayasan Dwi Jenderal, Yayasan Saraswati, SMA Negeri 1 Denpasar, SMA Negeri 7 Denpasar, and anymore you can see in slide. Ekonomi, Kreneng Market, for health, Puri Rahaja Hospital, Bali Mandara Hospital, and Bayangkara Hospital. The population of the Nimpuri village divides into a baby, kids, children, teenager, adult, and old. Are 7,373 people in 1,935 family head. Association of living capacity 760 people in 200 family had occurring from 10.3% of 1,935 had family with association state of 4% vulnerable age. Typical association of 200 family had are 60 had family with 3 members of family, 93 had family with 4 members of family, 47 had family with 5 members of family. Nutrition need in one day 253 kilograms carbohydrate are from rice, corn, potato, cassava, and anymore. 44 kilogram protein are from peanut, tempe, tahu, and anymore. 46 kilogram fat are from meat, fish, and poultry. 22 kilogram fiber are from fruit and vegetable. The depth of farmland 8.108 hectare, farm 9.23 hectare plantations, 78.86 area for animal farm. Percentage of relation land are for farmland 4.6 hectare, plantation 2.3 hectare, and animal farm for 0.7 hectare. Prolific worker are 214 men and 160 women divided into several job sectors. The first, food sector, there are 81 men and 61 women. Economy sector, there are 79 men and 59 women. Social sector, there are 30 men and 10 women. Education sector, there are 30 men and 10 women. Health sector, there are 13 men and 10 women. Government sector, there are 6 men and 5 women. And religion sector, there are 9 men and 6 women. Next is the analysis of the public warehouse for agriculture and range with the following consideration: manufacturing activity, climatology, and COVID-19 problem on farmland with an area of 760 meters square for a capacity of 5 farmers and 2 traders. With on farmland with an area of 464 meters square for the capacity of 5 breeders and 2 traders. Because COVID-19 problem such as avoiding direct route adjust distance, living with full health and hand washing facility. And in this space, recreate adults of lighting and ventilation. And then cooperation with the following consideration: management activity, customer activity, climatology, and COVID issue. With an area of 195 meters square for a management capacity of 12 people, 16 customers. As it uses COVID-19 issue, such as avoiding direct entrance, adjust distance, restrict with restriction and hand washing facility, it has reduced use capacity by up to 50%. Is the Tempe factory with an area of 280 meters square for a capacity of 24 managers. However, due to the basic consideration of activity, climatology, and COVID issue, the manager used the shift to implement a healthy protocol. Next is the analysis of the TOFU factory based on consideration, namely management activity, climatology, and COVID-19 problem. 301 meters square TOFU factory with a management capacity of 24 people. Will the capacity of the KNOW factory after the COVID-19 pandemic consisted of 12 managers, and they use COVID-19 problems such as distance control, limiting restriction, and hand washing facility. TOFU factory experienced a decrease in use capacity in space by almost 50% of normal condition. Next is the analysis of clothing factory based on consideration, namely management activity, climatology, and COVID-19 problem in a 25 meter square clothing factory with a management capacity of 28 people. Will the clothing factory capacity after the COVID-19 outbreak consisted of 14 managers to use COVID-19 problems such as adjusting distance, limit retraction, of use in space almost 50% of normal condition. The market is a public facility for trading transaction with a capacity of 40 traders to meet the food needs of the community. The market is designed to be open to maximize natural light and ventilation, but still apply the COVID-19 issue by taking into account distance and capacity and the flow. There are health facility with the consideration of the manager activity, patient, and climatology. It has a management capacity of 25 people. We can serve up to 70 people with an area of 11.900 meters square. But by the COVID issues such as avoiding direct passes, adjust distance, limit with bulkhead and hand washing facility. It adds degrade use capacity by up to 50%. Next is the analysis of the public coffee shop with the following consideration of activity of manager, visitor, climatology, and COVID-19 problems in a coffee shop with an area of 150 meter square with a capacity of 5 people, management, 17 visitor. Will the capacity of the coffee shop after the COVID-19 pandemic consist of 4 management and 50 visitor? Because it used COVID-19 problems such as avoiding direct road, adjusting distance, limit with bulkhead, and hand washing facility. Coffee shop experienced reduced in use capacity in space by more 50% from normal condition, as well as implementing a drive-thru system. Consideration facility with the basis of consideration of manager activity, visitor activity, and climatology with 2 hectares area. Amount can accept 320 people, but due to avoid the issue COVID-19, only able to support on 160 people. It has direct use capacity by up to 50%. A library, other than education aid, as a means of recreation. For activity, can look on the slide. Visitor capacity before COVID 64 people. Due to the application of the issue on COVID-19, then experienced a reduction of to 30 people. COVID-19, a school of 4,875 meters square can support 180 students, but after COVID can only accept 90 students. Limiting with bathrooms, distance, furniture treatment, circulation, and providing hand washing facility are mandatory. As with the initial slide in government office using the COVID-19 issue, the room are given spacing, boundaries, and hand washing facility and circulation flow using one channel to reduce direct meetings. Pura as a place of worship at the time should remain implementing the protocol of health. Use capacity when COVID is offered by up to 50% reduction. Masjid is as well as Pura experience direct using capacity due to implementing a health protocol. Furthermore, it is an activity based on age in the baby, kids, children, teenager, adult, and old. For detail, you can see on slide. It is concluded that in product to 3 type of housing. The first type A 62 head family, type B 93 head family, and type C for 45 had family. Occupancy analysis. The house type A has an area of 224 meters square and occupants of 3 people, has bed capacity of 2 bedroom, kitchen, toilet, dining room, living room, drying area, and small garden to maximize lighting and ventilation. The same is the case with type A. House in type B has an area of 208 80 meter square and occupant 4 till 5 people, slightly larger than the type A house. The space that is owned in type B is almost similar to type A, but has an editorial bedroom. Suite is 3 bedrooms. This is type C. House has a more room than type A and B. House suite are 4 bedroom with area of 336 meters square with 5 occupants. With the issue COVID-19, this house is planned with editorial facility for washing hand, transition room, and receiving guests outside the residence to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The first function is that school activity and market area affect road density. The functions available in the Ganang district are education, housing, market, and sport. For detail, you can see on the slide. Nose area are shown in red area, thus affecting the placement of plane function. Then the soil function plan can be seen on the slide. In residential zoning, the towers are planned and housed to maximize natural light. The big tower accommodates 150 family, and the small tower accommodates 50 family. Then the resulting tower looks like a screen. Ground area located at each corner of the site to reduce noise to the building until a plaza design is produced at each corner of the site.